Hello everyone, I'm James Su from Dinstar. Today I will show you how to use our FXS or analog gateway to make a speed dial. Speed dial means like if you dial certain numbers, like you dial the handphone number or more, maybe the PSTN number, there may be the 7 digit or 11 digit or maybe more than maybe 12 digit, or it depends. It's very depend your country, okay? And sometimes it's hard to remember the numbers. Of course, you can to do that by the simple way, and the way to do it is to just use our analog, the gateway to do the speed dial. Okay, our analog gateway offer the such a feature. Here we can see the go to the advanced, go to speed dial. After that, just a simple and the speed dial number and the original number. For example, here I just put the 1040 and put my original, my mobile number here, and just save the account. That's all. If you just test, for example, if you use FXS to make an outgoing call, you dial this number. Originally, my mobile number will be ring on. Okay, so let's test it. See what is going on. My phone is pick up, and I think the data will change, and the current call data or pause data will change already. So let's test it. See what's going on. It ring up, alright. Hello, 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 hello. Testing. Up already. Here the stature is changed already, and current call we can see here, same thing, and if you search some information about this, you maybe display some information here, and actually it's just a replacement for the dial number. Okay, so it's set up already. This is the dial number, this is original number, and so on. Of course, you can add more numbers here, and you can add money number if you want. But this is a very easy way to make incoming call, outgoing call. Okay, and you don't need to remember all the full numbers and with long range. Okay, so if you need the FXS to make an outgoing call and maybe speed dial, use the speed dial. It's quite easy and quite new feature for our analog gateway. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.